Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing extremely fine. My name is Prince and you are watching the TechStream. In this video, I am going to review the latest Android 13 stable build for the Nothing Phone 1. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Today we are going to talk about the latest update of Nothing Phone 1. The much awaited Android 13 stable update with Nothing OS version 1.5.2 is available and it now comes with some fantastic new features. As you can see, I have installed it on my device. If I go into the About info section, the Nothing OS version is 1.5.2 and the Android version is 13. The Android security patch is of 5th Feb 2023. If you want to see how to install this build on your Nothing Phone 1, I have already made a video on the channel about the same, so feel free to check that video out. Now, one of the most significant additions in this update is the new weather app. The new weather app is designed with a clean and intuitive user interface, providing you with a real-time weather updates for your location. You can also tap on the weather widget on the home screen and it will take you directly to the corresponding city in the app instead of opening a link. There are several new customization options available with the update. You'll be happy to know that there are all new glyph sound packs for more ringtones and notification. Additionally, there are more color schemes available in the wallpapers selector and you can choose from a new collection of minimalist wallpapers. You can now make your home screen look more consistent. Using dual SIM just got more easier with improved network quick settings panel. You can now easily switch data usage when using dual SIM. There is also an improved quick settings panel that will display the current network and how much mobile data you have used. The camera app now includes a direct QR code scanner. The scanner also appears as a shortcut in the quick settings menu. And finally, coming to the visual improvements in this update, there are several. Media control has a new look, putting album art on the full display with a wider set of music controls. The volume settings panels have been improved, allowing granular volume control without unlocking the device. There are now smoother animations when transitioning the display between on and off. Finally, the camera app interface is now more refined. Coming to the system performance, there are significant system performance improvements with this update. Fingerprint unlock accuracy has improved by 12% and app startup speed has increased by 71%. Standby power consumption has improved up to 50% and there is a new repair feature that will periodically delete unused system apps and cache. The system stability has also increased and there are general bug fixes. So those were some of the major changelogs of the Nothing OS version 1.5.2 based on Android 13. If you haven't updated your phone yet, I highly recommend that you do. Let us know in the comments which feature you like the most and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tech videos. Thank you for watching.